Hey there, Jerry's DIY here. Something special happened once more, and this is a bit late, but we have celebrated 2 years of Cherry's DIY. The uploads may be slowing down, and the projects may be fewer and far between, but there are also new things that I've introduced into the channel, such as numismatics and philatelic kind of stuff, stamp collecting stuff, which is going to get expanded on as time moves on. As you can see in the background, we have our old inverter, which we're still going to be working on, just for the heck of it, just because it's a really fun working example. But we also have this old car inverter, which uses a 12 volt battery source, of course, that comes into the positive and the negative over here. And of course we have some nice heat making material right here that converts it to the AC current for a hot and a neutral. And also this little step down version for a USB kind of deal, like for modern cell phone chargers. And its specifications: 12 volts DC, 15 amps, 180 watts. Output is 120 volts AC, 1.25 amps, 150 watts, 60 hertz of course. Inverter, and of course we have our little serial right here. So that's going to be really neat to work on. I'd probably put that in like a big wooden box or something cool like that. And in the background over here we have a something new, which is a Great Value LED Dusk to Dawn. Only cost me about, I believe it was about $4 or $6. I'll get you a receipt on that. And yeah, it's going to be fun to do a light bulb review of that one, and also a General Electric D2D that I also have, which has been tested out before. We also have two other things just to share. American Silver Eagle. A lot of people say silver isn't really a great investment, but it's a great investment for me just because I love the beauty of it. As you can see, there's this Liberty walking. Still really beautiful, and it's got that 2021 redo of the heraldic eagle. We got the new landing eagle, which is very cool. Beautiful mint luster. From Littleton, of course, Littleton Coin Company. I know some people might disagree about their prices on some things, but their prices on other stuff is pretty good. And then I got this through eBay, which is another Littleton offering, which is the 2010 Union Shield Lincoln Cents. Got one little colorized one, which is really just like a little shrinky dink that was baked onto it, but that's still pretty neat. And a gold-plated one. And of course your Philadelphia and Denver minted ones, also Philadelphia and Denver mints, respectively. Yeah, it's pretty neat, I remember when these came out when I was a teenager. I always thought those were really neat. I saved up a whole bunch of them because I didn't know if they were a new thing or just a passing kind of thing, like the 2009 Lincoln Bicentennial ones. So that's neat. Anyhow, a big thank you to all of my subscribers, to all of my viewers, just everyone who makes a comment, everyone who just enjoys watching what I have to make and what I have to say. Honestly, a big heartfelt thank you to all of you. And of course, as time goes on, we'll have more things to do. Definitely have a lot less time on my hands than I used to, which is understandable. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. So anyway, 2 years of Cherry's DIY. Thank you very much to everyone who watches, comments, subscribes, all the fun stuff. Thank you all. A deep, heartfelt appreciation from me to you. Hoping you stick around to see the other things that I get up to. Have a great day.